love affirmations to build your self-worth fast. I am kind to myself. I am enough. Love flows within me. I deserve happiness. I am whole. I love myself unconditionally. I am successful. I am valued. I am worthy of every good thing in life. I am worthy, whole, and complete just as I am. I am worthy of love, abundance, success, happiness, and fulfillment. I am bold. I am brilliant. I am beautiful. I am capable of achieving anything I want. I am deeply and completely accepting myself. I celebrate me. I am more than enough. I love the person I am and the person I am becoming. I am whole. I am kind to myself. I release all negative self-talk. I love my own company. I am worthy of respect from others. I am lovable. I am capable. I am courageous. I am worthy of my own love. My feelings are important. My feelings are valued. I am becoming stronger and stronger each day. I deserve to feel good about myself. I respect myself. I am a unique gift to this world. I am loving and kind to myself. I deserve to be happy. I radiate confidence. I am authentic. I abandon all harmful habits. I embrace my peace. Love, peace, and prosperity are my birthright. I am protected. I am beautiful. I give myself all that I need. I honor me powerfully. I believe in myself. I respect myself, and others highly appreciate me. I attract wonderful things into my life. Everything is possible for me. I am grounded. I forgive myself. I am kind. I love me. I give myself compassion. I take excellent care of myself. I deserve compassion. Taking care of myself brings me happiness. I make the right decisions for myself. I enjoy my mind and the way I think. I give myself permission to relax. I am free to be me. I start each day with a grateful heart. Loving myself is my greatest gift. I can give me all of me. I treat myself with the same love and acceptance that I treat others. I am open to receiving avalanches of love and abundance. Love is me, and I am love. I love and respect my body. I am capable of creating the world that I want for myself. I can overcome any obstacle. I learn and adapt with grace. I am flexible and adaptable. I trust my intuition and honor my limitations. I create boundaries with love. I am not my past. I am joy. I am ease. I am capable. I am confident. I am strong. Worth fast. I am kind to myself. I am enough. Love flows within me. I deserve happiness. I am whole. I love myself unconditionally. I am successful. I am valued. I am worthy of every good thing in life. I am worthy, whole, and complete just as I am. I am worthy of love, abundance, success, happiness, and fulfillment. I am bold. I am brilliant. I am beautiful. I am capable of achieving anything I want. I am deeply and completely accepting myself. I celebrate me. I am more than enough. I love the person I am and the person I am becoming. I am whole.